Hello, welcome back again to my kitchen. It's your girl Joyce pretty. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can make delicious home chicken pie. I want to say thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you guys for your support, your love, your comment. Thank you for bringing me this far. And I want to say if today is your first time of coming across my video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe please. And tell me what you think about my chicken pie. So guys, keep watching. Love you, and please see you guys again in my next video. Bye. So I'm going to be adding my vegetable oil. I'm going to leave my vegetable oil to heat just for about a few minutes before adding my diced onions. So first of all, I'm going to sprinkle my salt. Then after, I'm adding my onions. So I'm going to stir and leave my onions to cook for just about 1 second. Then after, I'm going to add my diced garlic. After adding my garlic, now I'm going to stir again. So I'm going to leave my onions and my garlic to cook for just about 1 minute or 2. So I'm going to be adding my chicken. You can see how I cut my chicken into little pieces. So I'm going to stir again. After stirring, and I think it's okay. So thereafter, I'm going to be adding my carrots. So stir again, stir everything together. After stirring for some time, I'm going to be adding my diced Irish potato. So I'm going to mix everything together again. So I'm adding my Maggi cube. After adding, I'm going to be putting my curry powder. Then after, I'm adding my black pepper. Black pepper is a choice. You can choose to add black pepper, you can choose not to. But I'm just adding black pepper to my own. Then I'm going to stir again. I'm going to stir properly so that everything can be properly mixed. Then later, I'm going to be adding now my corn flour. going to stir together again. You can see how nicely the color is. So beautiful. Then I'm going to cook the socks just for about 5 minutes. So we are going to be mixing the flour now. First of all, I'm going to be sieving my flour. I'm sieving my flour because of crumbs. So now I think the flour is okay. So later on I'm going to be adding my baking powder, then my nutmeg. I'm just adding my nutmeg because I love the flavor. If you don't want to add nutmeg to yours, you can as well leave it. So here is my butter. I'm going to mix it together properly because of the butter. I'm going to take my time to mix it very, very, very well, until when I think the mixing is okay. So then later, after mixing the flour very, very well, and I think the mixing is fine and is okay now, it's good to go. After mixing properly, I'm going to be adding my whisk egg. Then after, I'm going to mix again. So after mixing properly, I'm going to be adding my milk. You can choose to use water if you don't have milk. You can use milk just how you want it. For mine, I want it to be very rich. That's why I'm going to be using milk to mix my own. So here we go. You can see I'm pouring in my milk. So I'm going to mix the dough again. So that is ready. I'm going to rub my butter now in the pan. I'm rubbing this butter because I don't want my chicken pie to stick to the pan. So that's why I am rubbing this powder. I'm rubbing this butter. After rubbing my butter properly, I'm going to be sprinkling my flour. So it's time for me to sprinkle my flour. So you can see my dough is ready. Though I didn't show you when I was cutting it into this round shape. You can choose to cut yours into round shape. You can choose to cut it into 4-corner shape, just as you want it. So I'm cutting mine into round shape. So after I cut my dough into round shape, you can see that I have added the sauce. I'm going to use the egg, my whisk egg, to rub it round. So cover it up properly. You can decide to use your hand to cover it like this and leave it, or use your hand to give it the shape you want, the design you want. But for me, I'm still going to use the small knife to pierce it. You can see now I'm using it to pierce it, just to give it a fine shape. So after taking my time doing it one after the other, place everything in the pan. Before putting it in the oven, please do not forget to use your whisk egg to rub the chicken pie round. Rub everything round and make sure you rub it properly. Why you are rubbing your egg is because just to make it more beautiful after baking. If not, it's not going to come out nice and it's not going to come out fine. So I'm going to do this one after the other. Then I put it in the oven. So that will be all for today. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. Thank you guys for really supporting me. And do not forget, please keep on supporting me and tell me what you think about my chicken pie. Okay guys, love you.